Hello everybody, my name is Elijah Turell and I'm going to be going over Koko Crater. Koko Crater's location. Koko Crater is located in Hawaii Kai on the opposite side of the road from Hanauma Bay. To get to Koko Crater hike, if you are coming from the west, drive to Hawaii Kai, take a left at the traffic light before the bridge, then go straight and take the second right turn. Go straight and you will enter Koko Head Park, and there you can access the Koko Crater hiking trail. Here is the geological map of the area. Koko Head is right over here. Hanauma Bay is right over here. And Koko Crater is right over here. Kind of looks like a 8 from the up view. Google Earth, look at the area of Koko Crater. I have Koko Crater on the left hand side picture circled, and the right picture, it is a more close-up view of Koko Crater. Ancient history of Koko Crater. Koko Crater's original name was Kohele Pelepe, which means traveling woman reproductive organ. The crater was believed to be shaped by a battle Pele had with Kamapua'a, the pig god. Ancient legends say that he can turn himself into a feral pig. Recent history of Koko Crater's trail. The United States Army built the rail between 1942 to 1943. It was later transferred to the newly created branch, the Air Force. It was used as an air defense control center. Later, it was abandoned and had no use to the Air Force, so they gave back the land to the city and county of Honolulu, and that is why we are able to access the trail. Geology of Koko Crater. Koko Crater is a tuff cone volcano on the Kaiwi side of the island. The tuff is made by bursts of steam, hot gases, rock coral, and volcanic ash. Koko Crater is 1,208 feet in height. The last eruption of Koko Crater was known to be around 30,000 to 35,000 years ago. Koko Crater is no longer an active volcano, so the chances of it erupting once again is very minimal. Koko Crater also shows signs of weather erosion, as I will show in the next slide. Here is some evidence of weather erosion from Koko Crater. This is Koko Crater Arch. As you can see in the picture to the left, that is the arch, very beautiful geological structure. If you look at the picture there to the right, you would see I have traced the line that is the actual height, and towards the east side of the crater, towards the sandy beach side, you could see where the arch is. Journey of hiking Koko Crater. The hike and the view was absolutely breathtaking, quite literally. It's very hard and very difficult to get up those steps, even for active people such as myself. This is my first time hiking the hike, and I would recommend you bring plenty of water while you're hiking, stretch before you hike the trail, and if you decide to eat a light meal. Here is a little quick tour of going up the steps just a little bit. Like I said, I'm quite active and I do hike every so often, and even this was very challenging for me. So it just shows how steep and how much steps and how hard the hike is. Okay, safety first. This was my first time, like I said, hiking the crater, and I made a few mistakes that I would want you all to not make. I would recommend bringing shoes with good tread. Some parts of the hike can get very slick with loose dirt and gravel, and I had worn shoes and it did not help and made the hike very dangerous for me, so I would recommend bringing shoes with good tread. I would recommend bringing a water bottle such as a hydro flask or a Yeti. I brought a 32-ounce hydro flask and it was not enough, so that is why I'm also recommending you to bring extra drinking water to refill your hydro flask. And if you want to reward yourself getting to the top, I would recommend bringing a healthy snack and possibly bring a first aid kit. I got 2 big blisters on my palms from gripping so hard on the rail on the way down, so just bring those just in case if you need. And I would like to remind everyone, take their time when you go up the trail. There's a lot of people who go there and exercise frequently, so they do the trail and they're very confident, but take your time, do not feel rushed, and just be safe. And when you're up there, just enjoy the view. This is me. I made it to the top. That is the Botanical Garden down there. As you can see, the rock I'm standing on, tough. Just absolutely beautiful view. And help keep the hike clean. When you hike, I would recommend bringing a backpack or a small plastic bag. That way you could hold any trash that you may have made, like with any healthy snack or water bottles. And then also you can bring a small plastic bag to even help clean up the community and just keep the community clean. When you accumulate your trash that you made or trash that you picked up from others, please hold on to it until the proper trash can or bin for trash is available. And please deposit of your trash correctly. This is all the trash I was able to accumulate during the hike from picking up off the ground and from picking up from others. And I put it in the proper place. This is the resources, some of the places I got my information from, and I would like to say thank you for listening to this presentation. I hope you have a great rest of your day.